Welcome to Bike Beats, where the rhythm of power meets the roar of engineering. Today, we shift gears from asphalt to altitude as we explore one of China's most advanced multi-role fighter jets, the Chengdu J-10C. The evolution of the J-10. The J-10 program began in the late 1980s with China's ambition to modernize its air force. The early J-10 variant served as agile, fourth-generation fighters. But the J-10C, introduced in 2018, represents a major leap forward, incorporating cutting-edge avionics, radar, and stealth enhancements. Design and performance. At first glance, the J-10C's Delta Wing Canard configuration reveals its agility and maneuverability. Powered by the domestically produced WS-10B engine, it reaches speeds exceeding Mach 2.0, making it a high-speed predator in both dogfights and long-range engagements. The airframe is optimized with reduced radar cross-section, and the intake design helps in achieving better supersonic performance and stealth characteristics. Avionics and capabilities. What truly sets the J-10C apart is its AESA radar, which allows simultaneous tracking and engagement of multiple targets. Coupled with an advanced electronic warfare suite, the aircraft can disrupt enemy radar and communications, giving it a serious edge. It's also equipped with the PL-15 Beyond Visual Range missile, boasting ranges over 200 kilometers, making it a formidable opponent in air superiority missions. Multi-role powerhouse. The J-10C is not just a fighter, it's a multi-role combat machine. It can carry precision-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and air-to-ground munitions, allowing it to strike with deadly accuracy in both air and ground operations. Its digital cockpit and fly-by-wire system give the pilot unparalleled control and situational awareness. Strategic significance. Deployed mainly by the People's Liberation Army Air Force, the J-10C signifies China's growing aerospace capabilities. It has also seen export interest, with Pakistan Air Force acquiring several units, marking it as a key player in regional power balance. Engine of the skies. From its aerodynamic design to its high-tech systems, the J-10C proves that the future of aerial combat is already here. Stay tuned to Bike Beats for more deep dives into the machines shaping our world, on road, sea, and sky.